Last week, I said I was starting from zero again. I thought HTML would be easy. I was wrong.
Welcome to the Blueprint. If you are new here, I have a software engineering degree. I worked before, but after some time away from coding, I felt like I almost forgot everything. So every week I'm documenting what happens, the good, the bad, and everything else.
This week's goal was simple: HTML foundations, elements and tags, working with text, lists, links and images, commit messages, and a final project. I wanted to finish all of these in 1 week. I studied 5 days, 5 hours every day. I completed everything by Friday, which means I earned my weekend. If you watch my week 1 video, you probably remember me saying something. I said one of the reasons I wanted to start from the beginning was because I didn't want to assume I already knew everything. And this week, that statement came back and humbled me. I thought I already knew HTML. I mean, I have a software engineering degree. I have worked with web development before. So I expected this week to be mostly a refresher. But I was wrong. While going through the lessons, I noticed something I had seen for years. Tags like BR, IMG. I always thought those were self-closing tags. Then I kept reading, and I learned that modern HTML actually discourages writing them with the /. Browsers still understand them because of historical reasons, but according to the HTML specification, they are considered unnecessary. It might sound like a very small thing, but to me, it proves something important. Just because you have seen something 100 times doesn't mean you actually understand it. That reminded me why I restarted this journey instead of jumping straight into advanced topics. If you really want to learn something, you first have to accept that you don't know everything. And honestly, that's harder than learning HTML. The biggest challenge is this week wasn't HTML. It was focus. Reading documentation for hours isn't exciting. After about 20 minutes, my brain started looking for literally anything else to do. Check my phone, watch YouTube, open another tab, anything except reading documentation. So I did what this whole journey is about. I asked AI. I explained that I was struggling to stay focused while studying, and it suggested something called the Pomodoro Technique. 25 minutes of focused work, then 5-minute break. At first, I honestly thought there's no way something this simple is going to help, but I decided to trust the process. And surprisingly, it worked. Instead of thinking about studying for 5 hours, I only had to focus for 25 minutes, then another 25, then another. Before I knew it, I had completed everything I planned for the day. This was actually one of the moments where AI genuinely helped me. Not by writing code for me, not by giving me answers, but by helping me solve a problem that was stopping me from learning. And that's exactly how I want to use AI throughout this journey. Not as a replacement for learning, but as a mentor that helps me move forward. At the end of the week, I finished my first Odin Project assignment, the Recipes project. Now, let's be honest, it doesn't look amazing. There's no CSS, no animation, nothing fancy, just HTML. But I built it myself, and that's what matters. Instead of watching another tutorial, I actually created something. Even if it's simple, every project is another step forward. Looking back at this week, I am actually happy with the progress. 5 days, 25 hours, every planned task completed before the weekend. One completed project, a new study technique that actually works for me, and another reminder that I still have a lot to learn. Next week, I will finally start learning CSS.
If you are rebuilding your career, learning to code, or trying to stay disciplined, I hope this journey helps. Week 2 is complete. Week 3 starts Monday. Let's see what happens.